All right, guys. So now that we are able to define our model and then our table classes or model classes, we now need to be able to create the tables in the database. So in order to do this, I'm going to use a Python package called Alembic. Now, let's look at this scenario. So in creation of tables and managing tables in database is not that easy. So for instance, let's look at this typical use case. So assuming you have already created your tables, you deploy it in production, or you deploy application and then you are using the data in this table, right? And then later on you realize that you need to add one more column or you forget to add a column, right? This can be done in a several way, like in a different way. This can be done on the database, but it is not really advisable to do this as this can break your whole application or can crash your database. So normally what we do is that we use a database package to manage migrations. I mean, moving column or running changes to your tables and your database was in use or was in production. So in Python, there are so many libraries for doing this. But in this project, I'm going to use Alembic. Alembic to run all my migration changes to my database or any other thing. So I'll quickly go to the documentation. So this is the documentation. You can check out this URL and read more. And then I'll come auto generate migration. This is where I need. So I'll follow this tutorial and then I'll come back to you to explain how I was able to do it.